We live, we live. We are live in the building, boys. Right, get that down. GJ. Welcome, guys. I'll get everyone back in. What up, everyone? Everything's running smoothly. Hopefully today we don't get a power cut, man. Ooh. Some strong bullish candles forming, nice. Okay. Let's get this on. Morning. Welcome to another good session. So at the moment, I have a little runner on from yesterday, still on. Which is quite interesting. Of 40 pips, but I think there's more room for improvement. So let's just do a little analysis here. I'll wait for more people to come in. I'll do a post about it. 1 second. Smoking on the bottom. Do. We are now live on YouTube. Got a nice 40 pip runner from last night. But yeah, man, please join the stream and I'll do analysis now. Okay, guys, so it looks like we are in some contradicting kind of zones here, which is a bit annoying. But let's see. So start on the daily time frame. Boss, I have a question. Which method you use in Forex? It works on crypto. To be honest, it probably would still work, but I feel crypto is a bit too volatile for that kind of stuff, and there's not many fundamentals behind it. It's all like on hype, so probably not, to be honest. Morning. Right, so the daily time frame. Let's have a look. So the daily time frame is going to flip here. So at the moment it's bullish. That's great. Oh no, 1 second. Give it yellow. And we know that the last one closed bearish. It's all right, but it did retrace all the way back down to these levels here. It still closed above this range, so that's still valid for buyers, I think. Because what I'm looking here at is this bit. 1 second. This is the zone I don't really like. This daily candle closed above this zone here, so it tends to suggest that price is going to fill back up at this range. Even though it was bearish all day, it did pull up a lot, so that's good. That is good. Get on the bottom. So 4 hour. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour flips the same point. Down like there. So that is interesting. So 4 hour and the daily is a bit higher up. So they're both bullish time frames at the moment. We're having strong hourly candles, strong 30-minute candles. So if you look on the smaller time frames, we can see we've got a resistance at this point here at 5.8, and we have a support back at this level really, which is the same as the 4 hour and the daily flips, which is fine. So we're in this range at the moment, which is grand, but I'm waiting for a close above here, so I'll be writing this down. Close above 152.5. 80 for buys. Nice. Let's just change this. Change this to a nice color. Oh, the white looks a bit bad. I'll do yellow. Like 16. And there we go. Lovely stuff. Morning, morning, everyone. So as I said before, I've got a nice little runner still on from yesterday. So if you look here, it's a nice little runner. Oh, very quick. To be honest, I could trail that a bit more now. I'll probably trail it there. Below this hourly candle. Just trailing your runners, it's all good, it's all good. And yeah, let's see if we can catch anything today. I'm waiting for a close above this region here to get continued buys, and then let's have a look at where we'll be able to go. So it looks like we got the next level is over here. I do need a close above this region here. And for sells will happen below this level, I think. Back down to here. Morning. Did you close yesterday's runner? No, bro, I still got it on. Still got it on. Just the fact that I think the daily still got time. We've already exceeded the high of the previous, which is great. Let's get this off. So I think we'll be able to come up to them top, which is great. That's kind of my little thing here. So yeah, I've got my runner at that level, which is up here. It's like further up. So if we do pass this level, let's look a bit further. Then we're going to be coming back up to these levels up here. Oh yeah. Morning, Max. With Magic Keys, do you have an automatic break even at 10 pips? I don't actually, but you can easily add it on. It's a good thing to have. I need to set mine up a bit more, to be honest, because I've just got it really, just do the key features. But yeah, definitely, I should do that. But to be honest, I put my stops at break even a bit less than that. I normally put my stops at break even maybe like 6 pips in. So, by the way, is the music too loud or too quiet? Is that not too bad? Yeah, Magic Keys is fucking fire. It just makes it so much easier. So this hourly candle is going to close in 20 minutes time. We need to see, I want to see price about this area here, and then I'll be looking for some nice buys. I know that the last 4 hour here closed bearish, which is fine. As long as we have a support here and we don't go back to these levels, we should be good. But I am taking the fact that this price actually closed above this region, which was a support, which was a resistance. Now it's classed as support, so that's good. It's not too bad. And the hourlies reacted off it really nicely. But as you can see, my two horizontal lines here, if we do pass these lows, we're flipping the daily and the 4 hour. So I'm cautious about that. But yeah, all I'm looking for is buys above this region here. This range right here, this range here, it's just no good. So you just wait for a candle to break. Wait for a candle to break like here, like this one. Then when this one comes down like this, comes down, and then when it starts to exceed, that's the trade. Look at that, I need to get better drawn now, but you can't do it. Hope you're well, but do you have on screen now? I've got on screen. I quite like on screen. All versions are good though. Just get any of them. The on screen one's fucking cheap though. If you get like a discount code, I use Max. It's cost me like 26 quid or something. $26. But it just pops up like this, and then you just do this, and it's there. Input risk, all that kind of good stuff. It's very, very good. It does work. Move this over here. But yeah, I'm hoping this runner can stay on actually. It's pretty nice. But yeah, the trades yesterday, oh my god. There were some good trades yesterday. Right, let's have a look on here. So no news today. It's all good, it's all good. We like that, we move. Let's see if there's any Euro news there, 7 AM. Ooh, that was quite bad. HPI. That's GBP, sorry. nationwide building society, changing selling prices of homes. Ah. Actual greater is good. So it's less than. That's interesting. So that came out at 7 AM. So did that have any movement? No, not really. So this hourly candle here is quite indecisive, so you have to wait. Let's have a look at gold. And especially for magic keys, guys, if you have magic keys and you trade, if you don't have magic keys and you trade gold, I'd highly recommend it. It'll just make it a lot easier for your trust. Okay, so the last daily closed bullish, which is alright. Could be making a little support there. We'll do the exact same. There we go for the daily. And the 4 hour is going to flip here, which will be nice to continue the bullish trend here. But you can see at the moment with gold, you can see, I mean, I'm not going to touch it mainly for the fact that we're in this region here. So you can see with gold where you kind of want to get your trades in. You know, look how nice these trades are, like there. But you can see in this little box here, from here to here, you need to wait for a solid break either above or below, and you'll be very, very good, because if it breaks this region, it's going to come back down to these regions here, and you've got a nice little fall there. And yeah, if you break above this, you're going to come back up to these zones, and if you break past this zone, you've got all this traffic here, all the way back to the tops, which is over here. So there's lots of different things, but you have to make sure you have to identify that, and then it'll be all good. Yeah, you can see relaxing. That's grand. But yeah, I'm waiting for buys above here. Be very, very good, man. So yeah, yesterday's trades, I took fucking so many trades. I just saw them. I was like, bruh, I entered here 3 o'clock. I think it was. Was it 3 o'clock? Let's see. Yeah, it was. This candle here closed bullish above this zone. This one made a bottom wick when we started flipping, which took ages, by the way. It took literally this whole candle. Then it flew. I mean, you can look on the 15-minute here. You'll probably see, yeah. So this 15-minute had a doji, but I was like, if we exceed the highs here, we're still bullish for 30. And my stop loss was here, look. So I got in it at this point, and my stop loss was here. And it ran pretty much instantly. And that's the runner that I've been holding on ever since, which is just chilling on. Actually, where's our rudder? Where did I put my rudders thing at the moment? 1 second. Got my runner on the low of the 1 hour. Yeah, that's where I'll probably take it off. So it's like here. Runner's there. I don't want it coming back to this zone. So if we do get a break below this zone here, and a close below here, this is quite a nice region. Let's have a look. Yeah, 28 pips. I need to be cautious of this on the left hand side, but it was fine. By the time it gets there, I'll be in stop loss to break even, so I'm not too bothered. Or you could just move it like this. Where's my box there? You could do that. There's some safer ones. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad. Which broker do you recommend? What country? Because different countries allow different things. So for the UK, it's definitely IC Markets, the best by far. I've literally used it for like 2 years now. Withdrawals take like 2 days. The commissions is not too bad, and the spreads are pretty tight. And like the customer service is fucking amazing. The customer service is fire. Like I can contact someone pretty much instantly. So if you had any problems and stuff, I'd feel safe to like be there. So you can see if this 4 hour does flip and come down, and also flips the higher time frames. For Pakistan, I think can Pakistan use it? I have no idea for Pakistan. They might be able to. I don't know actually. Anyone got any good recommendations for brokers? Oh, okay, bro. Nice chart. Always feel free to send charts, man. What do you think of this, sir? Yes, sir. I'll check it out for you, man. Let's go. Let's go. All right. GU. So we had a nice bullish candle here, and now it's resting, it's ranging. Wait for candle to close below support here. Yeah. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. So what I'd wait for here is I'd wait for this candle to close. So if this candle here pushes all the way down like this, I want to close below support like here. Then the next one, especially GU wicks up quite hard, will wick up like this, and then it'll start to come down. That'll be your trade, and obviously clean candles here. So theoretically, you should just do this. But you need to wait for this candle here to close below. But yeah, that's a good idea. Good idea. But also taking the fact you need to look at the. I'll do GU actually. I'll do GU for you. But you need to look at the higher time frames, because I can only see the lower ones there. And the higher time frames, you may be seeing something different. Yeah, Roger Branks is broker. Yeah, I think you can just do crypto like deposits and shit, or like TEDs if you use crypto deposits. Yeah, there's loads. So let's do GU. So I've seen. But yeah, anyway, that's a really good chart. Just wait for the close down, and you'll be good, I think. So unfortunately, you can see this hourly. I mean, so the last hourly seems to suggest it's making a little support here, and now this hourly is pushing up a bit, like this. But yeah, if you got a candle here, yeah, like this one closing like below here, because what you want to do is you didn't want to do this. You say this is the support here. This is the resistance. If price breaks the support here, it should continue down. But with all that big momentum, when did this come in? Oh, 3 o'clock, yeah. Yeah, it's not too bad. But I'd wait for a 1 hour close in bearish first. So if this 1 hour close bearish, that would be pretty good. Yes, GJ's retracing all the way back up again. That's good, that's good. Nice, nice, nice. This hourly in 12 minutes time is going to close. I want it to close above this region, so it's got 10 pips left to move up there. Oh, that's 15-minute play is not good though. Last 15-minute close bearish, so you have to be careful here. I want volume to come in at 8 o'clock. See where we can go. But it's good that we retraced all the way back down. So you can see at the moment, right? These candles, big liquidity because there's a lot of big wicks here. So this suggests even more when there's big wicks around, the next candles are likely to make bigger wicks. So there's no rush at all. You know, if this candle closes up here, I'm gonna have loads of time, I guess, like a wick in, and then we can fly, boys. We can fly. I want to see other zones though, because this zone is quite small above it. So it taps up there. Yeah, this is the key one I'm looking at. I just want to see where this is on the higher time frame. So let's just put whatever color that is. Do this color. So where does this look like on the 4 hour and stuff? Yeah, it looks at the top of the next zone. So that's like 8. Yeah, that's not too far away. Not too bad, especially for runners. So also, guys, this is a good example of what I say for runners. So obviously we kind of scalp. It's kind of like the thing. I wouldn't really call scalping though, because scalping is mainly like people who like look at the 5 minute all the time. But if you look here, I'm on a 38 pip runner here, which is grand for the risk to reward. It's great. And all that good stuff, but I also didn't just hold it for fucking 4 hours without being to break even. This is literally the trade here, getting in there, and then I'm just waiting. Put the stop loss here now, so I'm just trailing on big supports. So if this shoots all the way up, I won't close it until it makes a support again, then move it to the support, and just keep on doing that. It's basically swing traded. It's basically the way I trade and the way, you know, the strategy I use. You can still have great swing trades, but they're just runners and they're break even, so you don't care, you don't feel emotional about them, and it means you're not in the markets when price and, you know, different news events can fuck up your trading. So just keep it at break even, man. And you know, if a lot of volume's in, just keep the runner. Like, I remember here when they started pushing, I'm like, right, I'm gonna hold this because this runner's pretty good. And then Asian here has been pretty much ranging, which is a noof, but hopefully we'll get some. Also, guys, please give it a like on the stream. I can see everyone here. Let's go, let's go. Ready for London Open. London Open to bring some volume in. Please bring a like up to the stream, man. It helps a lot. Yeah, boy. But yeah, because we've got 9 minutes to close here. We've got 9 minutes. I want this candle to flip. Thoughts on gold? Yeah, I said before, I'm not looking really at gold. I'll show you why. You can see how much traffic's on the left now. So look at this. This box, I'm not touching gold, and I don't think anyone is really today. So I'll show you again. Just this whole zone. So like from like here, like here to here. There's just too many wicks. There's too much, you know, not clear price action. So I'll be staying away from that until price starts to break either below. So below this level, which is a very, very key level. You can see how many times we've touched it. So I'll be looking for sells below here, but I'll be wanting some nice solid closes there. And buys probably above here. So it isn't a big range. I mean, how big is this range? So from 1809 to, yeah, so like 150 pip range, but that's fine. I'd rather not trade a pair at the moment when it's doing this. But at the moment, if people are looking, I'm not, but if people want to, I can't really see much, to be honest. I mean, if price starts moving down here, where's it going to come down? Well, let's have a look. So if price starts pushing back down, we're going to go back down to these zones here. Yeah, see, this is choppy, man. I'm not even going to try and make an effort to do this. It's choppy. If it's choppy, you don't do it. Don't do it. I really want this hourly candle to close strong. Come on, 30-minute boys. 30 minutes. Because I know, right, guys, the reason why I want some trades above here is because I know if we do exceed these highs, we are very much good. We are very much good for buys. And yeah, sells below here. I'll write that as well, actually. So sells below here, so sells below 152.2. Where's 2? Yeah, we've got 220. Yeah, sells below there. I'll be happy with. I think that's good. So now you just need to be patient. You know, this is the strategy. This is the discipline. You have to wait for the zone to break in this range, and then it will be good. Please feel free to ask any questions, man. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna get some more guests as well on Zoom for people to, so I can chat to more people. It'd be good stuff. Oh yeah. Come on, this 6 minutes needs to push, man. Get it above here, please. To be fair, we've got a lot of time on the stream to do well. It'll be grand. See, this matches up with this here. Oh my god, look at this. So this is a very, very key level. So you can see the resistance has been held here, here. Also acted as support here, here. Hello, hello. Morning, morning. But yeah, so this is a very, very, very key level. Key level. Yeah, and this runner's doing well. So stop loss is here. I may move it. Let's have a look now. Yeah, I'll keep it on that. I'll keep it on the low of the hourly, which will be good. If anyone got any more charts, please send them. So just do the camera icon, and then send me the dash X bit. So already in the daily, you can see here I've already exceeded the high, which is quite interesting. Wish we did that there. So we just need price to push a bit further, and it should be good. If anyone wants me to do any more other pairs, please ask me. I'll happily do them. Get rid of that one. Yeah, SEGU's respecting this support here. It's respecting the support, so you have to wait, clearly. Let's look tomorrow. No news tomorrow. Oh, there is at 9:30. All the mortgage stuff. Nothing much really changes, so you can see here, forecast and the previous are pretty similar. So nothing much to worry about. Oh, bro. No, GG. No. I want you to stay up, boy. I want you to get above here, please. So sometimes, you know, volume's here, sometimes volume isn't. Just gotta stay up to every single time, and you'll get the trades, man. 15 concurrent viewers, love that, man. And we're just waiting patiently. Oh, God. Last night I had some bevs, I had my wine. Cheese! I was playing CSGO. Anyone play CSGO? I fucking bash that at the moment, like, I'm not gonna lie. I've got like 48 hours in like 2 weeks. I've been bashing it, boy. So price is coming back down to this region here. The 4 hour, let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, if this 4 hour flips, oof. Really respecting these levels here. Minor zone at 152,400. Yeah, like here. Let's see that. Very, very cautious. We need to wait for this candle. To be fair, that's quite a solid one. The hourly, this hourly closes like this. Oof. Oof. It looks very similar like this rejection works off here. I just created a Fun and Talent account. How do I use it on my laptop? Do I need to download MT4 on my laptop and look for the server? Yeah, so if you go on your Fun and Talent terminal, so wait one sec, I'll try and do it. So, 1 second, I'll load up, yeah. Just log in. So, oh, fuck off. 1 second. So your Fun and Talent, and obviously they've got their own servers now. So, oh shit. Mine's not there anymore. What the fuck? Well, you check on yours, but anyway, mine, it was literally at the top here. Mine's not there anymore, but it used to be. Oh, there it is. There you go. So you click on that and then just download it, yeah. I DM'd you this question, so just ignore it. Yeah, it's just there. Literally the stop. Just download that and then you're grand. Let's have a look at mine anyway. Look at this. Look at these account metrics. Ready? Ready? A flex on you guys. Max daily drawdown -225, and I'm up 6.7% for the week, and it's only Wednesday. Gee, look at that. Up, up, up. That's what you do, man. Easy. No worry, no worries. Oh, Owlie's flipping again, so it's very indecisive. It's all good, it's all good. Tell you what, when you've got your zones, you're sitting there and you're just waiting for a break. It's a lot easier, it's less stressful. I know for a fact some people would be in this trade now. There's no point. Yeah, there's a minor resistance here actually, you can see this little one. So a little minor resistance there. I'll do this to make people confused. And that used to act as support actually down there. So yeah, interesting. Goes in 8 seconds. Here we go. So this hourly closed bullish, but very, very weak, which is okay. So I'm gonna have to look for this next 15 minutes to give me more of a direction, either below or above. We don't know. We just have to wait. And if price shoots off straight away, that's fine. That's just volume coming in, but I'm not looking for that. Oh, it's just seeing these highs here. Oh shit. The celery play can be played. Oh, wowza. So I'm waiting for this 50-minute candle to close, because at the moment that would be just impulsive and it could be very silly. I used to take these trades all the time. You'd be like, oh yeah, shit, get me in a buy, get me in a fucking buy. Get me in a buy like this. And I'd be like, yeah, it's gonna fly, And yeah, sometimes it would fly, but as you can see with my win rate, I don't really care. You know? Look at this bad lad. Custom period 26th. This is why we don't rush. That should be break even. That was a break even. I don't know why they put minus 81p. It's a bit annoying. But this is why you chill. You can take your time and you wait for 15-30 minutes to close. It's just so much safer. I mean, like, all of these trades is waiting patiently. I could have entered a bit lower, but I would have had some losses. So like, it's kind of this, right? You can either have, you know, impulses like this and get in there and they're about 60% win rate, or if you wait for closes and they're like 80%, which one are you going to take 1,000 times? But you can have fewer trades in the 80% one. So I'm going to take the 80% one every time, because you know, in the long run you'll make more money. 60% ones are stressful, you know, they're annoying, you know. Yeah, this could happily easily work, right? But it might also not, because the 30-minute doesn't have a bottom wick. The hourly doesn't have a bottom wick. It has a little nipple, I think. But you know what I mean? Like, we need to wait for candles to close. Well, at least candles close above here, but preferably over here. And you can see it's relaxing now. So some people trying to jump into all this stuff. See, so that trade there? Someone who tried to get in, like here, or whatever. Their stop loss was here, well maybe like here, sorry. Their stop loss is below this candle. Now they've just lost a trade for no reason. Trust me, impulses are only there for people who probably get the pair a lot, or if zones are being broken. If zones are being broken in the higher time frames, that's fair, but at the moment we still have absolutely no confirmation that price is going to break this level. So why would I trade? I just wait. And even right, even taking this trade here, right, and it did work, that's a bad trade, right? That's a bad trade. So you know, you need to be able to do, are these healthy profits or are these bad profits? And if they're bad, you need to know that you just don't do these. Wait a second. Thoughts on gold, whatever. From where you learn trading, Mr. Raja Banks. To be fair, he barely trades a GJ now. He's on gold the whole time, but it took him like 2 years, to be fair. But yeah, Raja, from just like, I mean, guys, I mean, I can't stress this enough, right? Wait 1 second. You know, like, yeah, you can buy a course and stuff. A course isn't gonna make you a good trader. Like, it's not gonna do anything for you. It's gonna, yeah, you'll know the basics, but who pays £500 for that? It's a fucking waste of money. if you literally just, I mean, like when he was younger, when he's actually active quite a lot, so yeah, like all of these, I literally turned up every single day, watched every single one of them, like, and it just became easy because I was doing the same thing. And what I was doing was, before the chart was open, before he started, 10 minutes before, I'd mark the charts up and see if I mark it the same as him. And he's just a good person to learn from. And yeah, you can, you know, he's got this market fluidity stuff, but I bet you a tenner I could literally tell you all the stuff in there, and I don't even have it. Like, you know what I mean? It's just because people can't be asked to be here for 3 hours every day. They want like this fucking book which will change their whole trading career. It's like, bro, it's not gonna. Not half. I'd say 80% of the problem for traders is fucking psychology. So just wait and learn it from day to day from learning. Come on, GJ. That's nice. Right, how long has this got left? Right, got 10 minutes left. Shit. I'm waiting for a close above though. Give me that close above. Give me that close above. So 9 minutes time, bit too early for me at the moment, which is fine. I'll jot down to the 5 minute if I can as well. If there's not enough things for 15, but I prefer to wait for a 15. 15 minute and then a bottom wick and then a phew. Yeah, still got a lot of time. 30 minutes as well. So the hourly doesn't have a bottom wick, which is rather annoying. This is a very, very, very key level, so even a 30 minute might be better above. I don't know. We'll wait. I want strong candles above. I'm not doing any impulses here. You can see even this candle here, this 15 minute candle couldn't close above, and the next one just drove down. So you have to wait for the close. I'm telling you. But yeah, this trade now 45 pips. Not too bad. Not too bad. Oh shit, is it? Okay. I did ask before. 1 second. There we go. I'll get that down. I only want like a little bit of desktop audio, so. Cheers for telling me, I literally would have been here for ages. I can tell us. But yeah, this 42. So what I see for this is, if you look up, I think I've got a TP pretty high, to be honest. Wait, that's a bit too high. I think I wanted at 153 flat. That'd be $200. That's not too bad. I think price can get there pretty easily. Cheers, bro, for telling me about that. 18 viewers, man. 18 viewers in the chat, and I've got my brew in the morning. Keep your brews near you, man. You need it. I keep forgetting about it though, and it's not hot enough. But yeah, let's wait for this candle to close now. This is looking good though. This is looking solid. Just need price to push up further here, and a nice close. Let's just take this off here. Unless you can keep this winning streak. If not, that's fine as well. So I think I've had 6 trades this week and all the winners. That's good. But that is literally purely from waiting for candles to close. Don't be silly. Don't take impulses. Because yes, some impulses I'll miss and some people will make quite a lot of money on, and that's fine. But the percentage wins is just so much greater for me. I don't really care. Like, it's just fine. And if you don't believe me, just do the maths. It's pretty easy. Do the maths, moi. Do the maths, boy. So yeah, we're looking good though. We're looking good. So if this candle flips now, then I think these buys are invalid, and I won't be looking for buys. But at the moment, it's looking not too bad. Oof, GJ. No, you're so close, man. Does gold do anything? Nope. So sometimes there's weeks, man. I think the London session has been quite rough recently. Apart from yesterday. Yesterday was good, but I just didn't like the traffic to the left, here and here. But I got a trade here. Nice little 10 pips there. So if this 4 hour, it's got 1 minute 50 left. Not 1 minute. 1 hour 50 minutes left. Especially so if this 4 hour in an hour and 50 minutes time closes above this region here, then for New York and stuff, I'll happily be in some buys then. But we have to get past this region right here. That's what we gotta do. 19 people in the chat. So yeah, guys, if you haven't followed me already on all socials, so I'll go on my Instagram. I'm posting there basically daily now. As I get back into it from the uni, man. Uni's done. I'm finished with it, boy. But yeah, I've got the trades in here. I'm gonna start doing the Trello again, so I'll be starting to do that. But yeah, if you click my link as well, so we've got the Trello analysis, which I'm gonna start updating again. The Fun and Talent affiliate link, that would help a lot, and the broker and the YouTube channel. So the YouTube channel will just take you to 314 subscribers, man. Jeez, it's not bad at all. And now I've got a PC that can actually do stuff. Like, I'm good. To be fair, why is this camera on like this? Let me move this camera a bit more. There we go. And yeah, guys, so if you guys haven't followed already on my subscribers, please make sure you do. I'm gonna definitely next week, if you guys are available, if you guys are comfortable talking and stuff, I want to bring some people onto the stream on Zoom. So I'll be using Zoom. So yeah, if some of you guys feel comfortable talking to people and that, happily join. So yeah, man. Can you talk a little bit about psychology and when taking a trade? Yeah. So the thing that's changed for me quite recently is just when you're in a trade, what you're thinking about, what you're feeling. If you're getting a bit shaky, you're getting a bit nervous, you get a bit of excitement, you're getting a bit of adrenaline, that needs to go, trust me. Because it will affect you. When you lose a trade, you get pissed off. What you need to really start to do is, no matter what you do in the charts, you should have the same feelings. I know at the moment, like I think on the last stream, I was like, yes, Jude, yes. I like, make it exciting and stuff like that. But genuinely, for that kind of stuff, you need to have a good mindset for both winning and losing. It should be the same thing, because you should be trusting your strategy. If you take a loss, you go, yeah, I tried everything. I could wait for candles to close, waited for bodies to flip, and it just didn't work out today. But you need to be able to keep that in, and then keep your psychology is the most important thing, because I used to struggle with that a lot. And if you're not ready for it, if you're not ready for taking the trades, go back and you back test more, make you feel comfortable and confident in your strategy, and then when you're taking losses, it doesn't matter, because overall you're good. So yeah, that's my advice on psychology. You need to make sure that when you're in both trades, you should be risking what you want to risk, and never risk what you think. And like just like little things, like for example, every week you should be using the same lot size. If you're trading the same pair, you should be using the same lot size, because it just takes out the fucking noise of oh, I did double risk here and I've just lost all my money for the week. Like, just keep the same lot sizes. So you can see we're approaching here. At the moment we're on 50 pips nearly. We're gonna hit 50 pips. Oh boy, we hit 50 pips. Nice. So let's see. Oh, I can open calc. Nice. So, and this is what other people struggle with. 1 second. If you look here, if we get into a trade here and this closes above, where's your stop loss going to be? And this is when the low wick kind of solution comes. But I'll tell you that in a second. Just want to see where this candle closes. Let's get red off now. Are these candles blue or white? I don't know. I'm colorblind as hell. So if this candle closes, like, oh shit. Are these candles blue or white? I can't see. So this candle closes like this. Then this next candle opens, drives down like this, because probability wise it's going to make a lower wick, and then this lower wick, when it starts exceeding these highs, etc, etc, this is the trading candle, and your stop loss is there now instead of there. See what I mean? We've halved it. Well, not even that. We've halved it. So that's kind of what you do if the stop loss is too big. And I do that as thing anyway, because it just reduces you know, fake outs, all that kind of stuff. So that matters. When you take that trade which was open, you are waiting for candles to close, right? When did you take that trade which was open? Yeah, so this one here, this trade here is down here. I'll show you. So it was later on in the day yesterday. It was here. This candle here, 1 second. This candle here closed above this resistance here. Also, all the hourlies and stuff were starting to flip bullish. And then this one here, 1 second. This made its low wick here. Then when this started flipping, I did this. I got into a buy. Actually, I waited until we exceeded the high, actually, so like more like here. Stop loss below the candle. And then my TP was here for most of it, and then the rest is still running. So yeah, that's how I did it. So I wait for candle to close here, wait for the bottom wick, and then flick up. That's exactly what I did. So my stop loss was like 8 pips, and you can see now we're at 50, so that's a good risk to reward. The close you're looking needs to be above previous close wicks, or also wicks. Previous closes. At least the bodies of the candles. I'm not really bothered about the wicks. It would be nice if they were above the wicks, like here, but I'm not really too bothered. Whatever comes first, really. I don't really care. So it's 15-minute start. It didn't close above, which is annoying. Didn't close above, so there is no trade for me. So I'm gonna have to wait for the 30-minute. That's fine. I'd rather wait for the 30-minute because this is a really strong resistance. You have to be careful here. So because this 15-minute here hasn't closed above, as you can see, hasn't closed above at all, I won't be touching it. I'll be waiting for the 30-minute now to close above. And this is what you do. You know, you're taking out all these variables that could fuck in the ass, basically, and then it should be good. Can you see it's rejecting it already? It's starting to push off. So like this is the thing, you know, you need to be able to, you know, analyze this and go, right, I could have entered then, you know, exceeding highs. Oh, we're gonna fly, but is it worth it? If you do that 100 times, how many times are you gonna win? And if it's less than maybe 60 or 50, then just don't fucking do it. Just leave it. So now I'm waiting for the 30-minute solid candle above this region here. GJ's touching this level for the 3rd time now, so it should break. Well, we don't know. It might not. It could happily rinse again. I hope it does. So in 11 minutes time, I'm hoping we're closing above here. But if it doesn't, I'm still not trading anything, because I'm not doing any of that stuff. But on the 50-minute here, we're just making a lower wick. That's fine, as long as we don't exceed the low here. These trades still valid. But yeah, I'm wanting this to flip and this 30-minute candle to close here and then to blast off. So I'm hoping this 50-minute here makes a lower wick here and then starts pushing off. Then the 30-minute closes here and then we enter. But we have to wait. And it's early in the candle as well, so it's got lots of time. It's got 40 minutes left. So yeah, I'm just going to wait here, and I don't want this candle to pass this zone here. If it passes here, it's going to be rough. Do you always wait for the candle after the breakout to exceed the high or lows? No, so sometimes I will wait. So for example, right, this trade yesterday, I was actually going to enter. I was actually going to enter on this flip, but the flip never happened. So sometimes I enter flips, sometimes I enter on highs. But yeah, I'll always wait for it to make a wick below, 100%. The reason why I do that is even if I want to keep a higher, a lower stop loss, but I want this one to be a half a stop loss. I'll take partials off then. It's just a nice zone, and like as you can see, all candles really have a lower wick, and if they don't, that's tough shit. I missed a trade. Oh shit, no, like what a shame. I missed one trade. But in general, it's all good. It's all good. I just wait. But yeah, 100%. It's because I've seen so many times, you know, like I'm trying to find an example. I mean, even like this one here. So like this one here, this candle here. Someone could have entered on the close here because this was kind of above this region. Like I mean, a little bit. And then they could have just entered here and gone right stop loss below here, and then Bob's your uncle. It just wicks up and then just flies all the way back down, and then you goose. Whereas I would wait. It went up obviously very early on in this candle, then started driving back down. I still wouldn't have been in yet until we flipped again and made the lower wick. And obviously the lower wick never happened and we exceeded the low. So I was thinking of the same trade as someone else, but I didn't want to enter. Right, so this is looking good now. I'm still not touching. I want even. I want to wait for even like 5 minutes to get up off. Get up, boy. So it's good. It's made this low wick. This is where a stop loss would be. It's 10 pips as well. But I'm gonna have to wait for the 30-minute to close above. But yeah, I always know, you know, this could just run up straight away, and that's fine. But that's the way I trade, and makes it a lot easier. 8 minutes time. Come on, boy. Nice. So we're starting to approach. This is good. This is good. This is good. Nice. So we could get in now, but I'm gonna wait. So impulses will be ready to go here. Do 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 do. So this is really testing your discipline. If you can't do this, bruh, you have to wait. This is a test in your discipline. If I was here like fucking 4 years ago, bro, I'd have been entering this. Yes! Buy! Buy! And obviously, it is very likely going to go now. And it could go now before the 7 minutes. But I also know it's a very, very, very big resistance, as you can see. And it struggles. So I'm waiting for the 30 minute. So if you guys have learned much today, please give a like on the stream. It really helps me out, man. Run them likes up. I want everyone in the stream to give a like. Please, that'll be good shit, man. As you can see again, rejecting again. I'm still waiting until this 7 minutes closes above. Get them likes up. Only on 6 likes, boy. Let's get them likes up. 7 likes. 9 likes. Jeez! Good stuff, man. 10 likes. Bruh. Lovely stuff. See what I mean, though? We still need to wait for candles to close, man. And if this runs off straight away, tough shit. Tough shit, man. That's what happens. But I know for a fact, you know, this 30-minute candle, it's going to close, maybe, it could close a bit higher, you know. I could miss the first like 55 pips. But the next one might make a lower wick. And then when we start flipping again, I'm going to be Gucci. So, let's have a look at the higher time frames now, guys. Yep, hourly's good. 4 hourly. Coming to this resistance, we need to be very, very careful. Daily, exceeding the highs again. But we need to wait for this close, man. Very, very crucial level. Cheers, man. Thanks for the support. So actually, at the moment, I might take off. Nah, actually, I'll leave it. I'll leave it on in a sec. I'll leave it on. How much is this runner up? 51 pips. 51 pips. Not too bad. Not too bad. Do do do. So this 15-minute, you can see it's struggling. It's got 5 minutes left, so it's got enough time to close nicely. It's all about being patient now. How many people entered on this, please? Because at the moment there's still no buys because we haven't closed above. This is so crucial. Like, I can't stress it enough. It's the biggest thing. If you can't close above, no trade, bro. Let's see the 7 o'clock candles. Where were they? Yeah, useless. Alright, come on. Get a close there. I need a close above. If not, there's no go. Come on. 5 minute. Come on! You got 4 minutes left. Right, I'm gonna quickly go to the toilet before this candle closes. Oh my god! For 2 seconds. You there, boys? It's got anything in vape, boy. So who else do you guys watch on like Instagram and all that for trading? I'm interested. Giving my thoughts on these people. If anyone here watches Iron Man trading, please leave the stream. The guy's a twat. Right, 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Ho 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 ho! Right, let's get my terminal up just in case. Right. How do you use MT4, MT5? Please make a. How do you use it? What do you mean? Like on here? Like, what do you mean use it? Like just in general? Like how does it work? And also how to use magic keys, me. Yeah, that's fine. I'll do that. There's a lot of magic keys videos on. Come on, we're so close, please. Come on, this 5 minute candle needs to fucking run. Full screen, man. Nice. Come on, boy. Come on. Okay. Okay. This 5 minute needs to flip. It's looking good though. Come on. At least get to there. Nice. Right. So now obviously the stop loss is way too big, so I'm going to have to wait for a candle to come below here. If this runs off straight away, that's fine, but my stop loss is way too big at the moment. Like here. I mean, I could put it here actually, to be honest. I'll wait. Right, where's the 15 minute? Minute left, come on. So if it closed here, I need a little bit more than that. I needed a little bit more than that. Here we go. That's good. Are you ready? Okay, nice. Nice! Come on, boy. Come on. Fucking close now. Close now. Close. Close, please. Don't you fucking dare move in right now, please. 9, 8, 7, 6. Right, okay. So good. We got to close. Nearly. Ah, yeah, okay. Right. Thank God for that. Right. Now I need to wait for a low wick to be made. Yes, boy. You know what to do. You wait for the bottom wick. 30 minutes close. We've got a lot of time. Needs to make a bottom wick. If this runs off straight away, that's fine. Hasn't made a bottom wick yet. Don't care. Hear what I'm saying, bruv? Hear what I'm saying, bruv? And here we go. It's gone. It's gone. GJ, no. No, make your bottom wick. No. Make your bottom wick, bro. Make your bottom wick. Come back, please. Don't leave me. So see, like sometimes you can't, sometimes you miss it, but this candle has got 40 minutes left. Is it going to run for 40 minutes? We don't know. So make it, you know, in general. Look. Oh wow, so many more things. I'll wait GJ to make bottom wick first. Yep. There we go. Bottom wick inbound. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And this is good. This means that if price pushes all the way back in this zone, we know that was a fake out, and we still haven't entered yet. It's great. Trust me, it's fire. So I'm now waiting. You know, I want this candle to push down quite a bit, and I'm wanting price to maybe stop pushing it, maybe halfway through, like 7 minutes, 6 minutes. Are you trading MY session? Nope, I am not. But my friend Control FX is, and he trades the same as me. So his stream's really good. Controller FX. I shout him out all the time. He's class. He's really, really good trader. He's exactly the same as me, closing candles, no impulses, kind of that stuff. So yeah, did I move this here? So we've got to close above. We got to close above. I repeat. Fucking. We got the close above, and it's a 30-minute time frame as well here, so we're good, man. Max, will you take it on the flip or once it exceeds current? I probably do it here. Probably like wait. I want it to clear these candles here. So like 620. I'd probably have it there. You can even put a buy stop there. But yeah. So see, price is dipping. So we said that we knew that it was going to make quite a big wick because look at these candles. They're quite big. I'm happy. I'd rather it come down now in the start of a candle. So I'm happy. Would rather not it push up right now. It's still a bit too early on. But this is good. This is good. Because, you know, so if price melts like this is fine. Still doesn't exceed the low of the previous, so I don't really care. On the 15 and the 30, so there's a 30. Yeah, 30's got big candles, man, so I'm happy. As long as it stays in this zone, so 152.47 kind of area, I'm happy for buys. As long as we flip and exceed around this area here, we should be good. And if not, we'll manage risk accordingly, and I'll try and show you that. I haven't actually shown on stream how to manage risk yet because I've only had dubs. But yeah, this is good. So this is what I'm saying. Don't just jump in straight away. That's exactly the same as just doing a fucking impulse. We know that. Look at the candles before. Bottom wicks. Lots of bottom wicks. So if we got in here, about there, stop loss will be about 11 pips, 10 pips. If this is the low, which is great. Oh shit, I need to record. Fuck. There we go. So yeah. Current candles will be here if this is the low. So stop loss will be. I don't want to get in here on the flip because this is a very, very key area. I'd rather wait into above here like 615, 62. And so stop loss is going to be just a bit over. I'm still going to put it at 10 pips, so I'll put it just a bit like there. So we've got 10 minutes left. That's all right. It's all right. A 30-minute time frame. Yeah, so this is how you make a very smaller stop loss as well, okay? You make a lot shorter one than normal because you're waiting for the bottom wick to be created instead of just using the one before, which is like all the way here. The fuck? Why is that 11 pips? Oh, it's because I'm getting in there. It's like this one here is Yeah, like 14, 15 pips. It's really good. You can get some really good risk rewards from doing this as well. But also, I'm also taking the fact that if this candle just pushes all the way down here, then there's no trade, and I literally saved myself just from waiting that little bit longer in the candle and not being a a cheeky greedy twat and trying to buy it when it just pushed straight away. It's gonna save me if this candle pushes all the way back in this zone here. So I don't really want it to exceed the low of the 15. I won't be too bothered as long as we don't pass it like here, these kind of levels down here. But you can see there's a lot of volume in now. As long as we pass and flip here, so stop loss 10 pips away, I think we should be good. But this candle here, I don't really like, to be honest, which is not good. But we still got a lot of time in the 15. Will you take it on the flip or once it succeeds? Yeah, so I'll take it on here. I'll try and put a line. This is where put this in like low things there. Because I want it to exceed these candles here. I want it to be past that range, so maybe a bit higher, maybe like here. These little ones here, these little pips, even though like you're like, oh well, I want to get in there, like that's like 4 pip different. But this can kind of clarify that we're leaving this zone now. Look at all the candles here. We're leaving all this crap. So you could even have buy stop there, whatever you can have. You still haven't exceeded the low yet, which is fine, and we still got a lot of time in the candle. But at the moment you can just kind of see his price, so we've got 8 minutes left. We're going to exceed the low. Oop. So we're exceeding the low nearly, which is not the best. There we go, so exceeding the low. Wow, look at that. So if someone got in here, bro. Fuck. So someone would have done that. Someone would have got in here. Stop loss below the current candle. Just took a fucking 15 pip L when we haven't entered yet, but we'd be in the same trade if it went well. This is what we're doing here. We're taking away the bad and keeping the good, and this is why we wait for candles to form. But on the 30-minute, we're still valid, which is good because this candle still came. So I'm not too bothered about the 15, as long as we don't close. As long as we don't close in this region. If you close in this zone here or further up, that's fine. If you close here, then I'm not good, because this basically means that, one second, this basically means that this zone we're in here is a zone I'm happy to stay in as long as we start to exceed. If we close in this zone, then we're in trouble and it's going to fall all the way back down. That's all. But I hope you got that, of waiting for this low to be made. Very, very important. And yes, you will lose some. I mean, I'd probably say if you take 100 trades, you'll probably lose maybe 10 or 15, which is fine. But the rest, you'll be able to get, and you don't have this worrying factor that this candle close, I'll enter on it, but it can wick all the way back down, man, just like that. We've got 23 concurrent viewers. That's fucking sick, man. Run them likes up. Even though we've got no trades yet, we're waiting patiently for this to flip. But yeah, run them likes up, man. How many likes have I got yesterday? Well, 12 likes, man. 23 people. Come on, man. We got this. We got this. I literally told you guys, manage risk. Well, I haven't told you guys to manage risk yet, but hopefully I can soon. We've told you guys waiting for candles to close. We've been doing good. So would you take fake out sells if it closed below the zone? So like here, if it closed below here, no, because this is choppy as hell. Nope. As you can see from previous examples, so like as you can see from here, so you could be like, oh, sells from here. You can see that it wicked all the way down, then came all the way up, and then came all the way down. So no, it's not what I want. I want clean candles. I'll get them on breaking of zones and shit. So this 15 minute and 5 minute time's gonna close. I still want it to respect this level, which is about here. Sorry, look at that. yeah, I've still got my runner in actually. So I've got my runner here. So if this runner, if this closes back in that zone, which is here, I'll take my runner off. I think that'll be a job done. Nice 50 pips. Jeez. That'll be like 40 pips then, to be fair. Not too bad, not too bad. Oh shit, actually should have this back on here. I bet so many people... Right, tell me guys, be honest here. How many people got into a trade there? How many people? You tell me. Be honest, who got into a trade here? Who got into it? I know someone here would have. You ready for the push, boy? Push ain't ready yet. So let's actually have a look at. Got very tempted. Thing is, sometimes it works, but it's just probability, man. You'd rather wait for the lower, especially how at the moment there's quite a lot of big wicks like this. This is why this one here is not really pissing me off. It's fine. It's just vibing there. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. Forgot. I forgot, boy. So, oh yeah, the hourly. Let's look at the higher time frame. So look at that. The hourly for me, that's not good. I want price to at least close above there for the hourly. So maybe even waiting for the hourly. You can see this now. So you can see this whole area here. I mean, really struggling to close above this kind of region here. We have exceeded the high of the previous 4 hour, which is good. But yeah, 18 minutes for this candle to close. That's grand. 3 minutes for the 15. But you can see it's dumping like a bitch. But that's what's gonna happen. You know what I mean? It's funny though. The funny thing with the trading is that people can like be looking at the same trade idea, but one person can lose 15 pips, one person can break even, one person can make pips from it. Like there's so many different outcomes even doing the same trade. It's just your timing and all that kind of stuff. And this is why you gotta have all of the timings intact basically. Like the 15-minute time frames, you need to know, right, this candle's closing now, so even if this wicked up here doesn't have much time to move, so is it good for me? No. You know, it's all that. This candle pushed straight away. We had 14 minutes left. Are you telling me it's going to run the whole way? You fucking hope so, but is it going to happen? And we haven't made a bottom wick yet? No. It's going to make a bottom wick. Most times, anyway. Still holding this level lows, which I'm happy about, as long as you don't close like below here. That's not bad at all. This 4 hour, how long has it got left? An hour left. Okay, that's not too bad. It's not too bad. Yeah, and if we do pass this zone again, we're good, I think. And sells will only be below here. Yeah. You want to keep away from these kind of zones here. You want to keep away from this. You have my sub, bro. Keep these live streams coming. Haha. Yes, sir. And this is actually way and stuff can work for NY. So, I'll get controller effect stuff up because he's a boy. 1 second. So controller effects really good. Stream. So like I'll show you his charts and this setup pretty much similar to mine. So I'll do here. So yeah, very similar. Zones are very similar. He just trades NY and I trade London. And there we go, nice trade there. So yeah, very similar. He's my boy, so yeah, check him out. 11:30. So if you guys are not busy, just check on his. He's on a 12 winning streak, which is pretty good. Because he's very similar to me, you know, he doesn't fuck about, like, we wait for candles to close, no impulses, we you know, it's just a standard, man, but it just works very, very well. Let's see what gold's doing. Oh, Owlie's gonna flip. If you're looking left here, let's have a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours just making its bottom wick. Okay, something I've watched for months, just something small to note, okay? Let's have a look at this, We got a chart in the chat. I'll do this one. Feel free to send your charts, guys. I'll definitely talk to them and stuff. Right. 30-minute close above resistance. Next 30-minute closes back in the range. Fake out. Price comes up, retests resistance, and flips bearish. Works very well on the 30-minute. So you saying that this candle here closes bearish, the next one comes up and then flips again. Yeah, that's fine. I'm happy with that. Even though it's in a range, that does work quite a lot. But you have to make sure that it rejects these zones again. But as you said there, it comes up to retest resistance. That's fine. But don't enter before then, and then flips. Works very well. Yeah, I agree. That's quite a good way of doing it. So if people don't get that, I mean take this. So if we do reject this, 1 second. He means if this 30-minute closes like here, the next one will wick up. Oh shit! 1 second. And then wick up, and then it'll reject these highs. It might even come as further as over here, and then when it starts flipping again, towards the end of the candle, fuck off. There we go. That's only quite a good play. Happens there. But you need to also think it's in the zone as well, and the higher time frames are bullish. Would you consider control FX's salary play here on the 50-minute? Yes. Oh wow, so you know the salary play. Okay, good. Yeah, I would do that, I think. To be honest, no, not for this one, because if you look here, so salary plays, if no one knows what a salary play is, it's basically when a 50-minute close is quite a weak bearish, so like more like this. If this candle closed like this, this one here just before closed more like this, very, very short, not as long. And then this next one here basically pushes and exceeds the highs, and continues on, etc., etc. That's a salary play. But yeah, I probably would have done that, but the issue is that this 50-minute is so strongly bearish. I only like salary plays when it's quite a weak bearish. And if the 30 minutes actually still in coordination, which it would be. So yeah, I think I would. I probably would look into it, but at the moment it doesn't look like it. To be fair, this one's good. Got 12 minutes left. So we've got 12 minutes left of this 30-minute candle. Okay, is this finished? Oh shit! Oh no. Let's see if we look at this 5 minutes doing. Yeah, quite a weak 5-minute candles though. It's not too bad. In London session, how much hours do you trade? So only 2. And if a bit more, if I like just looking at the charts, I'm like, oh, I'm waiting for this move. So for example, maybe after this one at 9:30, I might stay on a bit longer if this is coming back up to my zones and stuff. But mainly just 2 hours. And then for London, for New York, it'll be 11:30 to like 1:30. But if the trade's earlier, then I'll just finish the day because I only want to do 1 trade in each session, really. And yeah, but to be honest with you, I mean, this is quite an easy thing. But because Control FX trades the same as me, I literally have CS:GO on here, playing CS:GO. I have his stream on there, and my MetaTrader, and Trading View, and I'll wait until I see a setup which he's looking at as well, and then go fuck it, and then just do it. So it works quite nicely. Wow, look at that, boys! Look at that. Exceeding the low of the previous 15, so it looks like 30-minute play is invalid nearly, and his hourly is not closing above, which is what I'd want. You can see we're struggling, but you know, even though the streams to be some like little noobs who's like, oh, you didn't do a trade, blah 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 blah, I literally taught the biggest thing there, People would have paid a lot of money to like hear that fucking again and again. You know, you wait for the candle close, wait for the bottom wick, and then exceed, and it didn't happen. And then you just do that thing every single day, and trust me, your win rate's high as fuck. Patience pays. Facts. You can see now, look, the 4 hour wicks here. Oof. Oof. But it's all good. I still think we're gonna break it eventually. I think it just needs a bit more volume, a bit more time. As long as we stay above this region here, we will come back up and we'll avenge this. Still gonna give it time though. This 30 minutes, still got 10 minutes left. Now, if this candle pushed all the way back up and closed like here, then I'll probably get the celery play. That's because the hourly would push all the way back up as well. 24 viewers, man. Fucking hell, that's sick, man. Literally, like, this is my third stream ever. Bruh. Run them likes up, man. Run them likes up. If you learned something today, run them likes up, man. And I'm gonna be here every single day, man. Run them likes up, boys. I want to see 20 likes. 20 likes would be fire. That's a good for like literally a fucking third stream, bro. Crushing it. Let's go. Also, guys, you know, like the OBS setup that I've got here. Do you want anything that's changed? Do you want anything to change? Make it look nice. I'll see. Gold close below mini range. Oh, it did. Oh, it did. So look at the highs here. I said I'm not going to trade, but I could gold because of how fucking choppy it is. But you can see here, he's right. And I made a little top wick here. So now price is going to fall down. Where's it going to hit? Well, it's going to hit this next zone here. So what you'd have done there, if we saw it just before, you could actually you could really wait for this top wick here, which is right here, and come down. But that's quite a short one. Let's see how further. You could probably put your stop here, I'd say, and expecting price to push down. Let's look at the hourlies. Yep, so all time frames in the bias here, apart from the 4 hour, which is a shame. Congrats on finishing uni too. Oh, thank you very much. By the way, uni, I'm just telling you that, just telling you right here, piece of piss. Okay, A levels, if anyone knows in the UK, A levels were about fucking 10 times harder. My further maths A level was harder than my maths uni degree. It's a joke, but I'm not complaining, to be fair. this year's fucking uni things, I did like an hour's work. But anyway, got that done now, so that's out the way. A level so much harder, bro. I did further maths A level. That shit bummed me. Holy crap. So now, if I was in this trade, we're looking good, exceeding the lows here. We've got clean traffic to the left. So here, right about now, I'd put my stops to break even to make this a risk-free trade. Okay, so I'm up about 5 pips, risk-free trade right now. And you can still expect price, but for gold you need to be able to get into the process of, like, you know, 5-6 pips, put your stops break even. You expect price now to push further. That's what you're kind of doing. So let's see if we can get anything. You wait for the initial impulse of push down in gold, and then, you know, when we start getting lower, you just put your stops to break even and hope it runs, basically. Because it can be very, very volatile, and very, very wick up, down, left, right. How does A levels differ from university in the US? Okay, so you have, what do you have at, what is it? I'll do this, wait. What is A levels in US? The AP. So it's like just before SA AP. So it's just before uni, like just before you go. AP, does that ring a bell? The AP examinations. SAT. Oh yeah, I've heard that as well. But yeah, basically the reason why they were so hard is because, oh, look at that, so that's nice. It's because at uni you know they want you to do well. It's not the course. So obviously the exams you take has been made by the person who's teaching you the course. As long as you listen to the person in front of you in the lectures, you're not gonna fucking fail unless you're like retarded. Whereas at A level, you're in a class with people. The exam is made by the exam board who doesn't even know anything about you. And so for my further maths, I was doing all right with it. I was last in the class basically because all the clever people do A levels. Further maths, I was the only not clever person. And basically what happened was, you know, I'll do these stats exams, and stats exams are quite easy. I like them, and it'll be out of 70, and I'd get like 62 or something, or 60. And I'd be like, oh fuck me, that's good. I only dropped like 8 marks. And I'd be like, that's a B/C. I'm like, what? What? Because it's what's it called? It's boundary between how everyone else does. So if the test was really easy, it doesn't matter how good you found it easy. So here we go, boys. There you go. 10 pips, easy. The test is easy. Everyone's gonna find it easy. So you still stress like fucking hell. If I lose 1 mark here, some guy's gonna beat me, and I'm gonna be further down in the line. Whereas A levels, whereas uni, it just didn't really have that really. But yeah, if you're doing further maths A level, fucking hell, good luck. And there we go. There's So thanks, David, for that nice idea, nice break below. That was cracking. I wish I saw it just a bit earlier because it was already running. But nice. So that's what you do with gold, okay? You make sure you wait for candles to close below zones. You wait for the top wick, and then when you go, you wait for the volume, and then when you're like 5-6 pip profit, bro, put that shit to stop loss. Stop loss straight away. Stop loss at break even. So far. GJ coming back up patiently. Oh yes. So look at that. So 13 pips. So nice. So I'll put that in the thing. So trade's called. I didn't call it, but trade's talked about. Let's change that. And if I was there maybe 5 minutes earlier, I would have done it. But I don't like entering trades literally like the second I've looked at them. Gold. Sell. How long did it run? How far did that run? 13 pips, nice. That's quite big. And we're still waiting on GJ, bless it. But yeah, that's cracking that. Really good spot there, David. Like that. Very, very good. You can see now we're mirroring the candles below. I said here, these hourly candles. It's going to mimic, wait for the top wick, and then 15-minute close below support. Where's it going to go? Next zone, which is here. Very, very simple, guys. Keep it simple. Don't do any fucking MAs or Fibonacci or stuff. It's just wasting your time, man. Oh shit. Hello, GJ. Come on, GJ. Okay, might have to do the salary play on the 30-minute. Okay, that's alright. Is this 15-minute? Oh, yeah, okay. Ah, come on, get up a bit further, bro. Still not convincing me. It needs to come up a bit more. It's only got a minute's time though, which is a shame. But to be honest, if you still exceed these levels now, an impulse may be able to work because it already closed above the resistance. But I'll see. I will see. This tea's fucking cold now. 19 viewers, 82 playbacks, bro. We're fucking smashing this. Easy. Easy. I need to do more content for Instagram though, for sure, for sure. Let me just see how's the kind of I want to see how long and like visual the chat is on the screen. 1 second. Oh yeah, it's alright. Not too bad. Nice. And this is good. Okay, so the hourly, even though the hourly hasn't closed above, which is a rather unfortunate. Oh wait, come on, 10 seconds left. Come on, just give me like 2 more pips. Come on. Oh, you're so close, bro. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. I'm quite happy with that. Oh wow. Okay, so this 15-minute now is looking quite juicy. If we do exceed these highs here, about here, it could be okay. It could be okay. Oh, the 30-minute. Yeah, I forgot about that. Fuck. I forgot about the 30-minute close of bearish. No. To be fair, it did retrace. It did retrace quite a lot though, which is all right. But you know, the rules and that ting. I'll see if I can get a nice entry. But so at the moment, the 15 minutes made a support on this area, so you can see like here, it's made a support, which is good. People will actually enter on the flip of this candle here. I'll probably wait a bit further till here, like there. Stop loss will be here. Should be the low of this candle. Yeah, it could work. And that'll be the scenario we play on the 30-minute. If the 30-minute is exceeded about, yeah, there. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Let's see where gold's at now. There we go, see? So we've hit the exact zone that I talked about right here. And clean candles to the left, so look at this. This is what I'm talking about, clean candles, okay? Zone to zone, so here. Oh shit, sorry, 1 second. So there's clean candles to the left, so we expect clean candles on the right when it comes down. That's all you look for. And now you should, so for this one, this is really good actually for a runner. This candle flips here. Oof. But that was a nice play. That was a nice play. So how far did that run actually? 18 pips, man. And your stop loss could be literally be here. So like a 5 pip gain, a 5 pip stop loss for an 18 pip gain. That's good. That's good. And GJ's been a bitch as usual. That's a shame. The hourly's got a long time yet, but if it exceeds this low here, bro, it's definitely holding this. And we'll have to wait another session. Oh man, I'm so annoyed with that gold trade. I would have been in that like a motherfucker if I was like 10 seconds earlier. God dang it. So let's see here. So at the moment now you could probably have a runner on, and if you're looking left here, a runner would be nice down to this zone here. And I've only literally just got that from looking left and going right. Well, this came here. Yeah, it wicked all the way back up, so it's likely it could touch, but this is what runners are for. And then it should fall. So runners are there's two things for runners, okay? Runners obviously good for, you know, long-term swinging, you can get some more money, all that stuff. But actually the main thing that I like using runners is just FOMO. Oh shit, actually I'll take this off now, I think. I'll take my runner off here. I actually have it under this hourly anyway. Put it under this hourly candle here. But yeah, so the one thing that I really like runners for is the FOMO aspect. Because there's lots of people who go, oh man, I wish I held that whole thing on because I would have made like 100 pips or 200 pips. Like, yeah, that's fine, but like, bro, that's not gonna happen every time. So why don't you just leave a little bit on, and then you can catch the move. Go, oh, wicked, I caught the move, but still take your 10 pips, because unfortunately, you know, you don't know when the next 200 pip move is gonna move. No one does. So the runner can do that, and you just do that every single time. Put a little bit on, and it gives the FOMO away. It means you don't, you know, you don't want to hold on. Don't be greedy. You let the runner do its own thing. So if this candle flips here as well, you'll have, I mean, someone could riskily enter, but still you could have stop loss like this. 1 second. So enter now, stop loss here. See how that goes. It's got momentum though. Let's pushing already. Da 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 da. But I'm also very. I would never do this because it's risky, but because of this. But still, if momentum comes in, you could be alright. But the main move was there because you closed below, whereas this one hasn't closed below anything yet. And yeah, so gold was the play today. Nice. And these wicks here as well. Yeah, so you'd never really enter there. You'd enter here and have a runner just in case. That's what you'd do. So again, look at these. Look at this wick. So you can see this area here. It's holding the support. And yeah, it did exceed the low, but only a bit. If this candle does flip and exceed the highs, you could maybe get the play. You could maybe get the play. Mm, 18 viewers, man. 13 likes. We're smashing it. 90 viewers. Jeez. I'm still waiting for. Oh shit! I'm still waiting for this zone to be broken. And look at that. So now, nah, wait a bit more. Actually, no. I'd probably put my stop break even here, to be honest, because this wick here. Bruh, I'm so annoyed I couldn't get in there. Max again. 8 AM bullish, 8:30 bearish. Let's have a look. You got it. You got it. Yeah, this is choppy now. But to be honest, it's good because you haven't exceeded the low of the previous hour, which it looked like it was going to do straight away. And we're coming back up. So I got half an hour left in the stream, which is good. Oh, that gold trade, man! I'm so annoyed. Fucking nice 20 pips. To be fair, it feels a lot bigger. Like 20 pips of gold is normally nothing, but it's quite a lot here. Let's see. So let's see now. Yeah, it's daily. It's still in this consolidation box though. But that was a nice 15-minute play, 100%. 100%. Let's actually change that now. That actually hit 20, I'm pretty sure. I'll change it anyway. That 50-minute closing goal was juicy. Oh, to your right. That was nice. Okay. You're still holding support. I see you. So 7 minutes time, I'm going to wait for this candle to close. Maybe this time we can run. This time we can finally do it. That Ollie's closed here. That's too bad. I mean, I wish it was a bit further up like here, but the 30-minute already did that before. Really depends here now on where this 15-minute closes. In 6 minutes. So that's the magic keys noise, by the way, if anyone's interested. I'll put that like here. So yeah, you have to stop losses. You have to wait for the low wicks again. Oh, GJ, come on, man. You in London? You in London are being annoying. Come on. Come on, boy. Give me this move. So first TP here. And then to exceed on. Let's see how many have I got on YouTube now, man. Do you move now your M15 close to recently created level, or do you look at the one we already broke before? Do you move the? What do you mean? Do you now Do you move now? You're minute 15, close to recently created level, or do you look at the one we already broke before? I don't know what you mean. I do not know what you mean. Explain, explain. Move what? Move now, you're minute 15, close to recently created level. I don't know, I don't get that question. Oh shit, okay. Okay. So you could actually get an impulse here, I'm not gonna lie, if we do exceed these highs here, because we've closed already, it'll be exceeding the highs of the previous, and the hourly is flipping. We could get it, This 50 minutes got 4 minutes left, come on! Because this one's already dipped into the region, this might actually not make low, it can just fly straight away, if you get it close. Oh, don't cock tease you like that and then run down, bro. Come on. Come on, GJ, come on. Wow, so much more active in the chat today. I'm liking that. I like a lot of chat. Always keep on asking questions. You don't use indicators. Nope. Why would I use indicators? Don't need to. I don't need to. Like, I mean, people use, what's it called, the 20 EMA? Is this a big one? This one. Ah, yes, so we're above the line, so buy. But it also would have said that over there as well. It just gives you a false sense of security, I think. There's no, I don't know, there's no point in it. I mean, before we were looking at a level of 150 closes and we got it. Now we created a new close of 150 level. The close we're waiting is above the new one. Yeah, so yeah, no, if as long as it's around this area, I'm not too bothered because we're leaving this zone again. But yeah, not the same one, it's the new one. I kind of want it above these candles to the left here. So 620, 152, 620. How much fitness do you average monthly, bro? It very much varies. So like for example, this week already I'm up 7%. But what I want to like try and aim to is about 5% a week, so it's 20% a month. But some weeks are more, some months are less. It's just how it is. And at the moment, like every month, I add 20% to my lot size because I just want to build my account really. So like for example, if I was on a 1 lot for 1 month and I made 20% that month, I probably wouldn't take anything out and I'll just do a 1.2 next month. That's kind of how it works. I risk 1.4% at the moment, 1.4, like in the middle. I don't like 2, I think 2% is a bit too much, and I just found 1.4 is just easier on mine, so it's like a 3.5 lot. So, because 1% is quite rough as well. I think if you think how much 1% is, you have to do a lot of trades for that. I think, yeah, middle like 1.5% is probably the best. 1.4, 1.5. Because at 1.4, I can, if I close a bit earlier, it's more towards 1.2, 1%, which is good. Because I normally close earlier. And GG's back down again. So now we can see candles are printing sideways. So what does this mean? Someone tell me in the chat. Candles are printing sideways, like a barcode. What does this mean? Barcode equals ranging, baby. Sure is. Sure is. And then let's look at the higher time frame, see if you can see anything different. Candles printing sideways again. You see here? Here. So ranging again. It's in a range. We want clean candles like this. The moment we've got a barcode. We don't want no barcode, okay? But as long as you can identify that and don't take any trades on it, you're Gucci, man. Because like people here now might be like, oh fuck man, look, 30 minute You know, bearish, bearish, bearish. We're gonna go back down to here. Sells, lovely, good stuff. It's like, well, yeah, but also the hourly hasn't exceeded the low yet. We've still got 45 minutes left. We're approaching the highs again, and we're making some support here. So, you know, is it worth that sell? No, it isn't. Like, just chill. I think people just want to take a trade every single session, but it's not working. I'd happily rather have 6-7 trades a week, all 100%, keeping my losses basically not even existent, than fucking 20 trades and half of them are bad ones. Just wait for the right setup every time, and you don't get bummed. Do you have Roger's Market 40 course? Nope, I do not. I have Roger's YouTube streams, and so do you. If you wanna know how I learned to trade, just go on Roger's streams. But you have to find the time of the day. You have to, you know, work it. You have to, you know, like. I'll not controller 1 second. So like, bro, you know, obviously everyone like can buy a course. Fair enough, it could help you and stuff. I've been literally watching his fucking videos, sorry, for, I mean, years. I remember seeing him in first year uni, so that was like 2018. I literally came up to every single one of these. Every single one. Even here. So yeah, I think, you know, when you're looking about people, you know, doing courses and stuff, yeah, the courses can help, but if you just put in the work and just watch all the fucking live streams that people do, you'll learn a lot more than just looking at a course for an hour. 1 second, next question. I know it may vary by pair, but what is your average stop loss? 10 pips. I'd go to maybe 12. Apart from that, I won't go in. So this is on GJ. So I only trade GJ and gold. So GJ 10 pips, 12 pips. Gold, I think I'll probably do 25. I'll do 25 pips, probably biggest. But obviously my lot size is a lot smaller, so 25 and 10. Just keeps it small, man. I don't need any more than 10 pips on GJ at all, really, especially when there's good market conditions. So look, reacting that support again. Yeah, oh, this is funny, man. This is funny. So if this 30-minute does this, it actually pulls all the way up, and you have a nice long stick here, flips and closes like this. I'm gonna be in when you exceed the high, because we've already dipped down in this zone. If we come out of here, it's like it's gonna make less of a top wick, and I'll just go pew, then pew, then pew, then pew, then pew, then pew. No, 100 playbacks, nice, man. Jeez. So I still got this on, but just to show you how a runner works and stuff like that. So my stop loss is at the moment. Oh shit, I've got magic keys on. Fuck off. 1 second. There we go. So at the moment my stop loss be here, just below these candles now. This is just called trailing a runner, because I know if we pass this zone here, it's likely that we're going to drop further. But yeah, that's where I got in yesterday. And then yeah, keep my runner running. Because I said if we break this zone here, we're going to come back up to these highs. That's pretty good. Bring in the sound effects again. I do like a good sound effect. Yeah. 13 likes, beautiful, man. If you're new to the stream, welcome, welcome. This is the London session. Unfortunately, we haven't got our buys yet, but we've been waiting. David, my boy, looked at some nice gold sales. Oh wow, look at that. So if you got in here, which is what we looked at here. So we waited for this candle to close up below. TP, stop loss there. Your first TP was here. Second one, when this thing flipped, I said you could probably enter again, but be a bit risky. and now you're back in this zone. This should theoretically fill up this zone here. That's a beautiful trade. I say that's beautiful. Very, very nice. So you guys, if you haven't already subscribed and liked the stream, please make sure you do. We're here every day, 7:30 till 9:30. We're in the London Open. And the London Open didn't bring them volumes in, boy. I'm gonna wait for this. I'll wait 50 minutes for this one. Well, no, 9 minutes for this to close. And if there's still an opportunity, I'll stay on. But if not, we'll be done. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. 25 viewers, man. Fuck, that's so good. Holy shit. So on the 30-minute, we did get a close above, and we did exceed the highs, but we didn't make the lower wicks. This is why we haven't entered it for people that are new. We waited, and there was no confirmation because we wanted to wake this lower wick. This candle here exceeded way too early in the candle and didn't make a lower wick, so we were waiting, and then it finally happened. It finally happened. So if this doesn't happen, what you can do, guys, is do an alert. So if you're on trading view, do an alert when you pass the zone, and then you can quickly get on and see if there's any good setups. Because this is what a lot of people do. Ted does this quite a lot. So you'll just set it up. I'm gonna do one. I'll show you. So if we pass 6, I want to know so I can get in. Notify, send email, send. Oh wait. Yeah. So there we go. So now I've got an alert here. So it just means that if I'm off the charts now, because it's mainly the end of the London session, that I normally like to trade. But if price does start exceeding here again, I will probably look to enter. If there's good things, and it'll give me a little buzz on my email, stuff. I could drag it a bit further down, like maybe here, just so I have some time. But that's a really good way of doing it. Like someone like Ted, especially with gold, he'll wait for like big zones to be broken, but he'll have alerts on and just wake up for them. 13 likes, man. 13 likes. Gee. Still see, it's kind of holding that level. I'm not gonna lie, but it is ranging like a barcode. So if it shows a barcode, there's no go. I still believe that this hourly will flip. The 4 hour has got 37 minutes time, so this is crucial. If this 4 hour here closes above, we are going to be looking for some nice buys, but you have to wait for that because at the moment it's struggling to get past here, which you can see is a 4 hour resistance right here. Here we go. Come on, one last time, boy. Right, I'll take this off because it's going to ring me in a second. I can't be asked. Okay, okay. We see you, we see you, we see you. 6 minutes left. Okay, that's fine. Nice wick down again. Oh. So I want this 30 minutes close bullish, which looks like it's gonna flip soon. 6 minutes time. This hourly should flip. 4 hours should starts exceeding this zone towards the end of its candle. 35 minutes. Yeah, things are starting to line up. Not too bad. I just need this to close above the range again. So around here would be nice. Around here would be even nicer. But it's good as holding this support here. So it doesn't want to come back in this range down here. Okay. So it doesn't want to come back in this range here. Struggling to. It's just chilling in this one at the moment, but when we start seeing price above, it's going to go to here. Ah, no, lose momentum again. GG! But listen to what I've said. Come at 11:30, or keep that alert on, and you should be good. Let's wait for this. So 5 minutes time to close. The hourly still got a long time, so I'm gonna have to wait for another 15 minutes or whatever. But yeah. So now here, still on here. I could have put it. I'll put it a bit further up now, like here. Just trailing it. There's no point to hold it for too long. Also, guys, is my mic alright? Is everything working good? Just tell me. Just give me a message. It helps me so much. Just be honest and see what you want changing or whatever, and I'll do that right away. Okay, so it's got 3 minutes 48 left. Nice. I'm only waiting for this breakout. Let's see where gold is now. Yeah, it's not too bad. So let's tap this zone. Need to move off it. It's gonna close in 3 minutes time. Maybe a bullish candle. So if you're in this trade, you should at least take in profits now. If your alarm rings and it's not pre-New York, do you still trade it or wait for volume time? I would still trade it. I feel now if we broke it here, it'll be grand. At 10 o'clock probably. 10 o'clock only has some volume. There's this somewhere in the world opens up at 10 o'clock. I'll happily take it, yeah. That's what I'm saying. So like if you have an alert here, you'll be good. I just know if price if for 4 hour I can close above here, we can be rather good. I'm just liking how it's holding this level. I'm not gonna lie, that's the only reason why I'm still kind of interested in it. It's holding it pretty nicely. Suggests that it doesn't want to dip back down in that zone. Average watch time 20 minutes. Wow, that's great, guys. So average watch time is 20 minutes. That's fucking grand. Lovely. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, okay, 5 minute. Okay, 5 minute candle. Come on. See these making big long wicks here. Struggling to close below. It's just a shame that's barcoding at the moment. The voice of the stream is lower compared to other streams. Okay, my boy, my boy. So would you say like here? Second. Like here? Hello, hello, hello. Like this maybe? Do 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 do. Yeah, how does that sound? Someone tell me. Should it be even louder than that? Do 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 do. Do. So yeah, look, volume's not taking it in, and we're gonna close and back in here, unfortunately. So no trade, no trade. But those nice gold sells were great. Lovely stuff, man. So it's a shame, it's a shame. But guys, what I said, wait for an alert to come. I'm gonna put mine on now. Crossing 6. I do 6 here. Create. Nice, lovely stuff. Okay, 1 second. Oh, my stream's health's bad apparently. Oh shit, no. But anyway, again, guys, so I'm gonna leave it here. So you can see here, the 30-minute is closing. Closing pretty poor. Bearish candle. The 50-minute is gonna close in weak. 4-hour is gonna close in 30 minutes time. If this closes above here, then I'll be looking for buys in half an hour's time. But yeah, guys, I hope you really enjoyed the stream. I hope you learned a lot. And please give it a like before you guys go. That'll really help. That'll mean the world to me. And yeah, I'll be here. Same thing tomorrow. Same thing tomorrow, guys. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in a bit. Yeah. Adios, amigos. See you later, boys. See you later, girls. Adios, amigos.